Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI.
And if you're working in high noise environments, then you 100% need your ears protected. Keep them protected and comfortable with the 3M personal protective equipment. These earmuffs are 31 dP and they're going to make sure your ears stay comfortable and quiet while using high noise cancellation. The cushioning inside is to help make these feel more comfortable for a longer period of time. Since they are a 31 dP, it does mean that the earmuffs themselves might look a little bit bigger, might feel a little bit bigger, they stick out a bit more, but that's just all part of the protection, and they still feel very comfortable. They are adjustable, which means that it'll fit most head shapes. All you have to do is just adjust them so they fit perfect for you. Even the band on top helps distribute the weight and makes you feel comfortable. Overall, these are really great earmuffs that are going to make you stay protected for long periods of time. And that's my point of view.